Welcome to this training video on team members and guests and the different permission levels. So when you come into your workspace home, welcome to this training video on team members and guests and how to invite them and manage their permissions. Now, once you're inside your workspace home, you can see this button on the top right that says invite team member, and you can see how many team members overall are within your Glorify workspace. Now, if I hit the invite team member button, it'll take me to my team members page. Another way to come here is go through your avatar menu and choose team members. Do note that your team members are actually shared across all your workspaces. In fact, you can control access to all the workspaces that you own. This is a great way to manage your team members and not have to pay per team member per workspace. We don't charge you extra if that same team member is within another one of your own workspaces, unlike other platforms. So your team members are a central area where you control them and give global access across all the workspaces you own. The way it works is you can go to your particular team member, go to workspace access and control the different workspaces that you want to give access to them. Similarly, you can control their role level. You can give them either an admin role or an editor role. Admin roles have the same permissions as you. The only thing they can't do is remove you, of course, as the owner from the workspace. Editors can only create projects and manage all the files, including uploads, brand kit items and projects and favorites. They cannot control any of your team settings. They can invite guests to individual projects, but they cannot invite full team members and control team member permissions, nor can they control any of your account settings, of course, right? So editors are really there just to design and share those designs with other people. Now let's go into your guest tab. As you can see, there's no guests here at the moment, but you find with guests, the difference between them is clearly explained in the bottom explainer on the right. Guests are people that can only view and edit single designs that you share with them. They cannot access your brand account, meaning they cannot access your entire workspace. They can't access all your projects. They can't access your uploads. They can't explore templates. So they can only explore and work with the single project that you give access to them. Now let's go ahead and show you how to invite people to your projects. So we'll go into our projects. And in fact, I'll open one of these projects. Once you're inside the project, you can go ahead and click the share icon and you'll see the share model appear. You can share via email, for example, or you can share via link. Note, with link access, they can only view the design. They don't have any other permissions at the moment. We're working on giving more permissions for link access. But via email, you can give them access as editor or view as well. And once you've done that, they'll appear under here, as you can see, and the invitation is pending. Your guest will then have to receive the email and click the link to access this file. If they don't have a Glorify account, of course, they will need to sign up. Now, if you ever want to control your team members and remove access, simply go back to your team member page and go to your team members and give them delete their access from the role setting. That's it for now. We're going to continuously improve this feature so that there's more robust sharing and permission features. But so far, we've got all the basics for you ready. With that said, take care, and I'll catch up with you in another video.